Folks, also joining us here this Sunday afternoon, we have Quinn Pittner, who's age 10. Quinn is with the Notting Hill Pinewood Tennis Club, coached by Duncan Salato. Been playing tennis for 6 years, and he was selected to toss the coin for this match. His involvement and performance in the Super 10s, and next week he's going to represent Victoria at the Super 10s National Finals at Melbourne Park. So young Quinn is going to meet with Kevin and with Rafael Nadal. What a moment for him. And he's got that chair umpire, and he's going to toss the coin to decide the choice of ends in this match. Thanks, young Quinn. What a great moment. Thanks to Kevin and to Rafael for taking part as well.